Listen up. First of all, get up in the morning, take the bath, go to the bathroom if you want, and just clean yourself and change your clothes and eat what is necessary for you and eat for your body and take care of your health. Health means the first thing is get up in the morning, just take care of your health. Second thing you have to do is to change the clothes because it changes the images around the other people's. When you get up in the morning, just go on the roof for the 10 minutes, 20 minutes, look at the sun. Don't directly look at the sun, but you know what I mean. Just take the vitamin D and 20 30 minutes, then observe everything. Your family matter, surroundings, everything is just a matter. That's a shit. Your wife, your anyone around you, that's gonna be just damage your personality. Just control like anything that you given a task to someone. Expand the task for them. Don't let them copy you. Don't make them that they belong to you. Okay? Always understand that they don't belong to you. If you're intelligent, more intelligent, then they don't allow them to be around you. Because the moment you allow them to be around them, then they are going to be, if they don't just act like as you acting, that's not acting. So just be careful. Remove the conversation around it. Just visualize everything. Just think like you're in the movie. You don't care about nothing. The world is so big. We're into the multiverse and we still care about what they are going to think about me. Fuck the nonsense. Social anxiety doesn't exist. Nothing exists. We are just into the program. Already we are made in this program. So we don't have a different thinking. We have to think different. We have to transform. Don't transform, just act like that. Don't say you're strong, you're already strong. So anything that damages you, that's not good for you. Song, music, addiction of anything. When you post something on the social media, just post it. Don't even think about that. Right? Post means post. And just don't think about that you're posting there. There is no need to prove yourself that you're posting. It is just a phone. It is just a phone, This is just a phone and you just post it because of your thoughts. These thoughts. The moment you're manifesting, just do the manifesting directly to the YouTube. Don't fucking think anything. Just do it. Manifest. Delete all those conversations that happens into the family matter. Go outside and check it out. Talk about money. Talk about the businesses. Talk about something that you want to talk about, right? The moment you do it, the moment you try to do these things and you have a plan, just do it. You understand? This one is the best thing that you can just do it for yourself. Turn yourself into the movie. Shoot the movie like that. Speak the character. Right? Don't fucking stop yourself. Visualize yourself that where you want to go and where you can act and how you should act. What do you want it to be in the future? I wanna get out of the car. I want the whole area around me. I want the flat in every state, in every district. That's for me. Wherever I want to go. I want the hotels on the brand of my name. That will be my brand. I want the money. I want the capitalism. I want everything that is happening around me. I want the control on money. That's a visualization. I'll just do it. No matter what the fuck is going to be stop me. So, start doing it. First of all, make your body an exercise on it and just think about that. Do it faster. Connect the connection, the yesterday that you have made, and tomorrow the time is fucking not real. Time is just a fake thing. People around you, they are just totally fake. Everything is a reality. Everything is a reality. Fuck some bitches, you can just go and fuck in a one day. many people are just fucking. Billions of girls are fucking up. Age starts from the 10 o'clock, like 10 to 20. These teenagers are fucking around with old guys. Nobody's going to stop them. The law is made it's a fake law. It's just made for the chaos. It's not for the truth. Truth is bought. Everything is just a corruption here in India. Like every country do that. If the corruption is not seen, that's not a corruption. Right? Emotions, love, all of them have been buried. Deception. Everything happens. So don't. The next thing. Whenever you have a wife or girlfriend, just don't tell her everything. When she feel boring about you, she's going to destroy you, right? The moment she thinks that you're free, you're not valuable for her. You understand? The moment she does not respect you, she is not yours. She just thinks that she's taking your respect out of your value. Just talk less. Don't tell her anything about you. Every good thing, every fake thing doesn't. Don't tell nothing about your family, nothing about anyone. Just tell yourself that who you want to be and who you want to be as you want to be. Everything's a fake, Everybody wants to control on you. Nobody's real. Your brother, your sister, your mother, your father, nobody's real. Everybody try to make you work for them. They want to control. Just think in your mind that what you wanted, exactly what you wanted in the next week. Compress the 20-year goal in 2 months. Whatever you want to compress, just compress it. What is the dreams? I don't care about nothing. No one cares about you as you care about them. People does not even think about you. You understand? They don't think about you. The moment when they think about you, they will talk to you. They really don't care about you. And you don't need to care about them. You understand? So just think in your mind that what you wanted. Everything is fake around it. The thing that you believe in it, that's gonna be believing, right? You are not from them. You are from the thinker of, not everyone is like you. Not everyone is like you. The moment you go with those peoples, those who don't know you, they think about you, that they make the image down to you. They make your image down just because of your identity, where you believe, where you just belong to. That's not. The thinking has to be different. You don't have to tell everyone. You have to tell where you want to work. Okay, just work on that. Don't announce anyone that what are you going to do. Don't fucking announce anyone. The moment they stop announcing everyone, they're going to follow you. So just be careful. Be an assignment and be dangerous. Don't ask anyone. Don't follow anyone. Don't be intelligent in front of elders. Don't talk to them. Talk on your plans, work on your plan, work on the businesses you want to work. Keep it hidden. That's it.